Let's talk about it. Hey folks, Eric the Car Guy here. Today we're diving into Nissan's CVT transmission issues. Experiencing shudders or jerks. It might not be a major mechanical failure. Often it's the transmission control module, TCM, acting up. Resetting the TCM can solve these problems without special tools. Think of it as rebooting your computer. This simple fix can save you a trip to the mechanic. Let's get started and get your car running right again. Stick with me, and you might just save a lot of money. Before we start, safety first. Park your Nissan on a level surface. Engage the parking brake firmly. Turn off all electronic accessories. Ensure the engine is at normal operating temperature. A short drive can warm up the fluids. This ensures the TCM reset is effective. Safety is always priority number one. Let's create a stable environment for the reset. Now you're ready for the next steps. Now let's walk through the TCM reset procedure step by step. It's important to follow each instruction carefully to ensure your Nissan's transmission control module relearns properly. First, get in the driver's seat and make sure all doors are closed. This prevents any interruptions during the process. Next, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Wait for all the dashboard lights to illuminate. After a couple of seconds, turn the ignition off and wait for 10 full seconds. This pause is crucial for the system to reset. Repeat this on and off sequence one more time, just as before. Consistency is key for the relearn process. Now, turn the ignition to on again. This time, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for 10 seconds. Watch the dashboard closely. The check engine light should begin to blink, signaling that the car has entered diagnostic mode. Release the accelerator pedal and wait patiently. The check engine light will stop blinking after a few moments. When the check engine light stays solid, the reset is complete. This means the TCM has cleared the old adaptive data. At this point, your dashboard should show no warning lights and you can feel confident that the process worked. The TCM is now ready to learn new driving parameters as you operate your vehicle. That's it. Let's move on to the final steps to ensure everything is set. You've completed the reset. Now let's test it out and make sure everything is working as it should. Start the engine and let it idle and park for about a minute. This gives the system time to stabilize and allows the TCM to begin its relearn process. Watch the gauges and make sure everything looks normal. This helps the computer calibrate and ensures there are no warning lights. Next, shift into drive and begin to accelerate slowly. Take your time and avoid any sudden movements. Drive gently for 10 to 15 minutes, sticking to quiet streets if possible. This is important for the TCM to gather accurate data. Make sure to include both stop-and-go traffic and steady cruising. Vary your speed a little, but keep things smooth and controlled. The TCM is now gathering new data in real time, learning your driving habits, and adjusting shift points for optimal performance. As you drive, pay attention to how the car feels. You should notice smoother engagement and more consistent acceleration. If everything went well, your transmission should feel more responsive and confident. Enjoy the improved performance and peace of mind. If your Nissan still isn't shifting smoothly or warning lights remain on after the TCM reset, don't worry, this happens sometimes. Double-check each step and try the reset again, making sure your timing is precise and you're following the instructions exactly. If the problem persists, grab an OBD2 scanner and check for any stored trouble codes. These codes can help you pinpoint exactly what's going on with your transmission or related systems. Sometimes, persistent issues mean there's a deeper mechanical problem, like a worn belt, faulty solenoid, or sensor issue. In that case, it's a good idea to consult a trusted mechanic or a transmission specialist for a professional diagnosis. Remember, the TCM reset is a great first step. It's free, easy, and often solves minor glitches. Even if it doesn't fix everything, you've learned more about your car and how to troubleshoot issues. Keep learning, keep wrenching, and don't get discouraged. Every bit of experience helps. Thanks for watching and see you next time.